What's up, Borderline Lives? It's Angel here. So for this week, it is impersonations weeks. So everybody's gonna be doing something different. So like I am gonna do animals. So I'm gonna be acting out different animals, and I will show you at least 10 different ones. And I may look like an idiot, but who cares? I already am an idiot. Like what else could I do to make me look even worse? I mean, we're all gonna make ourselves look like idiots one day, and I've already done that. So I'm already over that wall. So might as well just keep going. So going on to the video, here are my 10 impersonations of animals. Ding! Mine, 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 mine. So that's it for the animal thing, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you didn't, I give my apologies. I'm sorry I wasn't funny enough. Sigh. But if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below which animal you liked that I did. You know, maybe the turtle, the deer, you know, the deer that's afraid of cars and yet still runs into the road. Oh dear. So if you want to keep up with me on anything, all my social media links are below. And yeah, tune in for next week. See you later. Bye!